All right, guys, welcome back. This is going to be part 2 on selling your info, selling your knowledge, creating mini courses, making passive income. So I love this right here. I've actually just started this not too long ago. You see that we're in the wonderful world of Udemy here. Let's go ahead and go into my public profile here, just so you can kind of see how it looks like, what students see when they open up my profile here. So you see I have a picture, I have my websites, all my links and everything. Then down here I have my courses. So as of right now I only have one course that I created, and I created this last week. So I have 2 students right now, and what's awesome about this is I create and I put the work in the beginning and I uploaded, and the rest is passive income, baby. Like, I do not have to do anything else on this, and I would be making money. If I go into let's go into the instructor's dashboard down here, just so you can kind of see. I just want to show you guys what has happened right here. I want to take you on my journey. I have created this one of my courses right here on how to start a successful ATM business. So I do this. This is what I do. Also have an ATM business as well. If you guys want to check it out, I will leave a link down in the description here so you guys could check it out. If you guys want to start that, if you guys want some more info, whatever. I have made $14 since last week here. So let's go ahead and check out my performance. There we go. So it looks like it's a little slow right now, so just kind of bear with me. So this is going to be the overview performance, my instructor performance, as far as what I'm seeing, what kind of revenue I'm seeing. I have 2 students from this month. I've made $14. So I mean, of course it's not a lot, but if you kind of look at the bigger picture, once you actually start having more time, people are going to start noticing you on here. You're going to start making more money, and I don't have to do anything else anymore. I just basically put the work in the beginning, set it, and basically just kind of forget it. I'm going to be receiving these commissions, this income into my bank account here. So you kind of see it's going to start off slow, but after a while, and I will be creating more courses, right? This is what you want to do. You want to actually put in the work in the beginning, have it uploaded, and people will start buying your courses, your knowledge on stuff that you know. And then let's see, so you kind of see that it's only $14 here. Once you begin to start scaling, you'll be able to you could also start loading it up to other platforms. Skillshare is another one that I was talking about in part 1. So I uploaded it. You don't have to do anything else. Take the same course that you created, upload it to different platforms. So I have it in Udemy, Skillshare, and of course other websites. So here, let's check it out. So we're going to go to teacher stats, and I don't think, so I haven't made anything just yet, but I see that there's a total of 4 students and 192 minutes that has already been watched. So it's just a matter of time until the students or the money begins to roll in on Skillshare as well. But you don't have to stop just here. You can actually go online, look up other websites that where students can go and buy courses where they can learn, right? There's another one if you like to do. Let's check it out. Let's go into CPD Formula. This is actually a Canadian website where it's the equivalent on obtaining your CPA. So it has to do a lot of marketing, a lot of finance. And if you are going to be uploading, creating courses on, for example, TikTok marketing, Facebook, right? You're going to be making those type of videos. You can definitely check it out, TikTok. So I did post this in a little while ago, and you kind of see that people are actually still buying. So this is another website. This is how you scale. You create one mini course, and you upload it to different websites where you basically are expanding. You begin to scale. So it's not only on Udemy, it's not only on Skillshare, but you're going to be putting it on other websites. Definitely look at Google, either online educational courses. LinkedIn, I believe has a place where you can upload your courses. Online marketing courses. There's so many places that you can go and start loading them up. So let's go ahead, and enough about my revenue, my backside story. Let's go ahead and start showing you how to start setting everything up here. Okay, so when you come onto Udemy, you're obviously going to go to udemy.com. You're going to want to actually sign up for an account. So I logged myself out, and all you really have to do is just put in your name, your email address, and you're going to go ahead and start signing up. Okay, so now that you actually signed in, so I just created another account, and once you actually sign in, you're going to go up here and go to Teach on Udemy. So you're going to click on here, and you want to actually get started. So come and teach. You're going to begin, and you're going to set everything up. So what kind of teaching have you done before? I basically I put online. You can put other online. How much of a video pro are you? So basically, I mean, you can basically say that you have already videos uploaded or that you're experienced. So it doesn't really matter on this right here. They're just getting some more information. Do you have an audience to share with your course? You can say a small following or a sizable following. Normally, a sizable following, in my opinion, would be if you have a group following of 5,000 or more. So I do consider myself that I do have a big following compared, like on TikTok, if you add up your TikTok, if you have YouTube, Facebook, whatever the case is, kind of thing. So now that you're in here, you got a little bit, this is where you're going to be starting creating your courses. So if you already have videos that you already recorded yourself, you upload it, you edit it, and you're ready to upload, you can actually come up here, create the course. Super simple to actually follow. It's going to take you step by step. But I think over here on the left hand side, I want to actually talk to you guys as far as the tools. This is where your meat and potatoes is going to be. This is where you're going to either be making $20 a month or $100 a month on a video, because what you want to do is you want to see what people are actually wanting to learn, what the demand is here. So let's see. So this is basically just kind of telling you the insights, the tools. So this is where you're going to type in. For example, let's go ahead and type in the ATM business, right? I want to make a video on the ATM, on how to start an ATM machine business, which I have already, right? You kind of see here that there is nothing that's in Udemy. There is no existing or anything like that. This doesn't necessarily mean that it's a bad thing. It basically just means that they don't have a lot of videos in the ATM business world on how to start it, what to do, whatever the case is. So if you want to start a topic on this is not necessarily a bad thing. It could also be a good thing because there is not an actual subject and area, and you can be one of the first ones. And when people search them, your videos are going to be on the top. Now let's go ahead and check out. I'm just going to type in TikTok marketing. Let's say you want to learn how to do marketing on TikTok, okay? Just so you can kind of see what the view is right here. If you just kind of scroll down, you see that the student demand is high. That is what we want. We want to make sure that our videos or our course is going to be high. Number of courses, not so much. It says that's high. We really want it to go a little bit lower because you don't want to be competing. On an average medium income, you'll probably be making about $2,400, and for the top performers are making about $1,300 a month. So if you wanted to, once again, this is not necessarily a bad thing. If you're going to be marketing your videos, if you're going to go ahead and post these, market your videos, this could be a very good thing. But if you want Udemy to market them, to show them to students, you probably won't be on the top. So I typed in another section here, Snapchat marketing, right? Snapchat marketing is actually looking to make a comeback here. You see that the student band is about average, right? Number of courses is low, so you can actually, this is what we're looking for. Something that's high, average on the student demand, and the courses is medium, average to low. But you kind of see here that you don't really make as much. Once again, if you're going to be marketing your videos, this could be a very good subject or an area for you to create, because there is a low demand of courses and an average. So right now I'm just kind of putting in some different subjects. So I put in day trading. You kind of see that the student demand is high, number of courses also high, but check this out. You're also going to be making a good amount of money, right? Top people that have these videos, you can make up as $8,700, right? On average is about 60. So you just basically have to play with it. You got to actually write, like I was saying in part 1. If you guys haven't seen that video, check it out, because that's where you're going to be brainstorming on what you're good, what you're talented, what you can actually, what you guys could actually teach. Okay, so now that we actually know what we're going to be looking, this is going to be the tools. So that's where we were just at, in the tools section, so you can see and brainstorm how your videos or your courses would actually be in this whole course thing. So now that we're ready to create our courses and upload them, you're going to come up here and create your courses. You're going to go into courses. Okay, you can definitely go into practices. They have a lot of information, a lot of instructions on how to actually upload your courses here. Okay, so there's basically, you're just going to kind of follow in the titles, right? So I'm just going to go ahead and type in ATM machine again. So just for this, the purpose of this example here, and you're basically going to, let's go into business, right? So this is basically pretty easy just to kind of follow. You're going to put in all the information because Udemy is going to be categorizing your videos on where they're going to be putting them in. So for example, in my situation is going to be business. All right. So I'm creating the course right now. And from here, this is where you're going to be targeting your students. So this right here is going to be very important. When you do type it in, you want to put in as much as examples as you possibly can. So for example, so what I like to do here, and the actual secret sauce as well, is I like to actually go, and before I start typing all this stuff in, I'm going to go back to Udemy and I'm going to look up videos and courses that are similar, that are in my niche here, and see what the good, the bad is. I'm gonna go ahead and click on this one right here, how to get started in the ATM business world. So you kind of see how it's kind of organized. It gives you a good idea on what you're gonna be typing, how you're gonna be doing it, what will students learn in this course. All right, now what you'll learn, this is what this guy has on what you're gonna be learning. You do not want to copy what he has, right? You want to see an example and have like a template on what kind of goes in here, and then put your own secret sauce, your own spin onto it. Okay, this is how Udemy is also going to see which students, which courses to present students when they come out here. Basically, you're going to just follow this right here. Curriculum is where you're going to upload all your videos. So remember, you already have to have your videos already uploaded, recorded, uploaded, edited, everything. And then all you got to do is just actually type them in here and upload them. Once you upload them, you submit them. Udemy's going to review them. If there's any mistakes, anything that has to be done, they'll go ahead and email you, fix this, and then after they're published, they'll be up and going. So that's basically it. So it's very simple, as I was saying earlier. Putting in the work in the beginning is going to be hard, difficult, because you're going to put all the work in the beginning. But once you upload it, once you actually have it on here onto Udemy, the rest is history. You do not have to do anything else on this. Now, the more courses you create, the more videos, courses you have up here, the more money you're going to be making passively. And I love that word, because passively means that you are going to be waking up to money in your pocket, money in your bank. Okay, so definitely check this out. If you guys have any questions, definitely email me, send them here in the comments. If you guys want to check out my ATM course that I created on here, there will be a link down in the description. I talk about it from A to Z, showing you how to set it up, what to do, all that type of stuff. So thanks again. This is going to be part 2. Awesome.